Hi everyone, we are understanding PrimalHyal NeuroYouth, which is Givaudan's this year launches. So I have beautiful Amandine with me to understand what is the science behind PrimalHyal NeuroYouth. Amandine, over to you.
So, PrimalHyal NeuroYouth is an ingredient inspired by the pharma, explaining how the HA can help molecules to be vectorized very deeply into the skin. And by the particular composition, we succeed to create an ingredient able to act as an NGF-like ingredients, being able to interact with the NGF receptor and reversing the Neuro Skin Ageing. And thanks to the reconnection of the nerve system with the rest of the skin, we were able to bring back skin to the vitality, homeostasis for firmness, anti-wrinkle, and skin elasticity.
Well, that's definitely is the next generation where well-aging is heading towards. So I am excited to know more about this ingredient. And this year, this ingredient is actually shortlisted for the Cosmetics Award in the green category. So I am excited what future beholds for me. Thank you for listening to Inky with Rinky. This is day one in Cosmetics in Paris. Thank you.